How to screencast your Tecno Spark 10 Pro phone to a Samsung Smart TV. And of course, to get started, make sure you have this screen right here on your Samsung TV where it says no signal, just to have it ready for that incoming screencast connection. So now on your Spark 10 Pro here, you will want to go ahead and use the quick panel access and look for the toggle known as screencast, okay? So it's going to be this one right there, the one that has that screencast toggle right there. If you don't see it, you can always use the three dots up here at the top right, tap on it one time, go to edit shortcut switch, and you'll look for that toggle to the bottom area here. You should find it, known as screencast. Just tap on the green circle and it'll add it for you. Now that you have it ready, go ahead and long press it. You're gonna long press it. It'll take you to this here, tap on settings, this right there, and it'll open up this here for you to get a better view of what's going on. So it's gonna start searching for nearby wireless display devices. You'll see the Samsung TV name. Just tap on it one time, it's gonna say connecting. While it says connecting, pay attention to your Samsung Smart TV screen. You'll see Tecno Spark 10 Pro, allow, deny, and close. You'll just use your remote control and press allow for it to go in. Then it'll say connecting to Tecno Spark 10 Pro, and just wait for it a few seconds so that it can load up. And then you should see whatever's on your phone should also be displayed on your TV itself. If you haven't made it to this point here, always just go ahead and restart your phone, check your smart TV if it needs any updates, and try it again. In the quick panel access, be sure that the auto rotate is enabled so that if ever you decide to put your phone in landscape mode while viewing a particular app or a video, it will also appear in landscape mode on your smart TV as well. And this is pretty much it for this tutorial, and that's how it would be when you have it fully connected. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.